How to change language on Waze app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can change language on the Waze app. For this, go ahead and open the Waze app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install the app. Once it has been installed, open the app and make sure to sign into your account. You can do that by tapping on these three lines and then tap on the sign in option. Once you have been signed in and you want to change the language of the Waze app, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on these three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on the settings option. You will find different sections here. At the top, tap on the general option. Here you have the option of language. Go ahead and tap that. Now you will find different language options from here. As you can see, English is the language selected at the moment. If you want to change this into any other language, then all you have to do is tap on the language that you prefer. As soon as you do that, as you can see, the language has been changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.